What is up, everyone?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to our vlog channel. We haven't posted in a little while again, but we're back.
Yep, again, and no van vlog today, but we have gotten really quite far with that. Like, really some good stuff.
We're getting onto some plumbing and everything, so we're really excited to kind of update you guys on that.
Yeah.
But for today's vlog, I actually surprised Matt for his birthday. It was his birthday last week, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we are going away on a little, like, staycation getaway.
Yeah, not far from where we live, only like an hour or hour and a half, isn't it?
Yeah, we're staying at the Cowley Manor in the Cotswolds, and it's got like a really nice spa. I'll pop a photo on screen. That's literally what sold me.
Yeah, it looks really nice. I'm really like happy to go. So we got one night there, and then the next day we're going to. Did you say Monkey Puzzle Woods?
No, it's called Puzzle Woods.
Puzzle Woods.
It's the Forest of Dean, and I really want to go because a lot of movies have been shot there. So exciting.
More than anything, so a lot of people said last year they were like, "Oh, what's that orange car? We want to see more videos of the caterer." So we're like, okay, well, as the weather's like 30 degrees at the minute,
it's so hot.
We'll do it in the caterer, and I'm hoping at some point in this video we get Roxy to drive it because she's petrified.
I'm so scared.
Absolutely petrified.
It's got a clutch and it's just so hard.
It has you used to have a car with a clutch.
I know, but the clutch is really hard to use on this one.
Well, it's like a racing clutch. So.
Yeah, so I'm not used to it, but we'll see how it goes.
Maybe if we find a car park or something.
Yeah, hopefully. So, since you guys have seen the front of the house last time, we've actually made some changes. We've actually got three new bay trees because these two trees that we used to have here, which we would always decorate for Christmas, it was so perfect, had actually died, so we had to get new ones.
Yeah, it's a shame. And also there was like a real big bush here before.
Yeah.
And we've just gotten rid of that, and
it was always getting really high, and obviously you could cut it, but it never looked great, and it always hid our number of the house, so we decided to kind of revamp the front. I think it looks good now.
I think it looks much nicer with the two bay trees there.
Yeah,
and that
definitely.
one there, and a little pot there.
But anyways, this is our little ride for today.
Yeah,
so
I take it I'm going to be driving the first bit.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think we talked about the catering before. It's just like, it's something that me and my dad went halves on because we've always wanted to like get into racing more together. So he has it half the year.
Yeah.
We have it like 3 months of the year.
Yeah. It is so cool.
Yeah, it's kind of like...
Another reason why I don't want to drive it is because the front is so long that when you're pulling out a junction, you can't even see if it's clear.
Well, also like the seating position. I mean, like.
Yeah,
it's not that
so
far
low.
off this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so low down.
But I kind of like that. Whilst you're driving along, you can just reach out and, you know, burn your hand off if you want.
Probably not the best idea.
But yeah, we've got a little bit of boot storage because obviously.
Yeah, we've packed our things in here.
Like,
we've got oh, you can't see.
You could get to.
We've got a bag in there and we've got a wet pack in case it rained. Just don't want to get caught out in the rain, do we?
It definitely shouldn't rain.
No, hopefully not.
I really want to take the screen off, but Roxy won't let me.
No, because it's dangerous. I mean, you can, but you have to wear a helmet then.
Yeah.
Just in case a rock flings up or something.
Yeah, or just like some good goggles.
Yeah.
If you don't mind a rock hitting your face.
No thanks. Time to go.
Yeah.
The seatbelt is so like sturdy, but it's definitely safe, so I feel much safer in it.
Wonder actually how this mic will do as we're driving along.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it's going to be quite noisy.
Yeah, that's as wide as I can go as well. 15.
Can you see us both?
You can actually.
I bet I'm quite warped.
Oh, it's so hot, literally. If you're not driving, it's just so
even
hot.
Getting in makes you so hot and sweaty.
Yeah. Oh, your helmet?
Oh yeah, where's my helmet? Yeah, I have a helmet because on this side it's actually a lot more windy because there's no exhaust like kind of shielding you from the wind.
Yeah.
So I have one of these and I feel like an old little man on a motorbike or a pilot.
Oh yeah.
Is that what they wear?
The old ones, yeah. There you go. Alright, let's get going as quick as possible then.
Yeah, because I am roasting. Oh, not a good start.
That's better.
Yeah.
Lights on. We have to wait for the oil temperature though.
Oh yeah, it's got to warm up before you go.
Oh, and we need fuel, look.
Uh-oh.
That's bad. Need fuel. Oil pressure. This car like has no luxuries. There's no ABS brakes.
No aircon.
No hydraulic, electronic steering. Everything's like as raw as
really old-fashioned, basically, but it's cool.
Yeah.
So guys, we're just on our way. We picked up a Greg's.
Gotta have a Greg's.
Yeah, we were so hungry, but yeah, we're driving through this lovely little village and it's just so nice. The sun is out and yeah, just enjoying the journey really.
It's good, you don't really have to drive fast. You can just chill out and just enjoy the countryside really, can't you?
Yeah, exactly. It's so nice. So we have come across a tractor ruining all the fun.
It's not too bad. I'm just getting a bit hot.
Yeah, it's a bit hot if you're not going fast. It does get real hot, doesn't it? That was fun.
Yeah.
We have arrived.
Yeah, looks nice.
So we have just arrived. The drive was so nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was such a nice drive, like through the Cotswolds and the last bit especially.
Yeah, and this
really
is the
nice.
hotel. This is the back of it in the car park. It looks really nice. It looks like a little church there or something.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Alright guys, so we're finally here and
Yeah.
oh my god, it looks insane.
It looks
Let me show you.
It looks really nice.
First of all, the pool, like the tiles are so nice in there.
Yeah, that's
And we're
quite
literally
warm.
the only ones here.
That's quite warm, actually.
Oh, it's so nice. Look at the view. Like that was the selling point of me booking this place. Like this view is just incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me show you around. I'm gonna swim over, you can't though.
I know. Can't swim in all the cat. Oh, I'm quicker than cat walking.
Are you? Okay.
You are a
I'm not a very strong swimmer, am I?
I really like the tiles in here.
I struggle swimming, huh?
I really like the tiles in here.
I know, the tiles are insane.
So this is the point you want your picture up then?
I know, this is like literally where everyone has their photo.
Yeah.
But I mean, can you blame them? Like, this is the best spot. So nice. How's it?
Probably can't hear you, but yeah, it's nice. It looks nice. Alright, let's take some pictures then.
We are out the spa now. We've just gotten into our room and we thought we'll show you guys around a little bit.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We couldn't check into our room earlier because check-in was at like 3 or 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
But they let you use the spa for the whole day.
Yeah, that was really, really good. Like, they have robes in the spa. But yeah,
Yeah.
this is our room. Look how cool this is.
Yeah.
There's like a levitating block above our bed. And guess what that is?
It's the bathroom.
It's actually the bathroom up there. I'm like, how? But it's really cool.
Yeah, I know, that is weird.
Yeah.
And also,
We have a little lounge area as well.
yeah, this
So
is
cool.
nice.
There's like a little bathroom down here as well, which is cute.
Yeah.
Very modern actually for, you know, Cotswolds, even though this is like really old fashioned, like building wise, it's like a manor and everything.
Yeah, they've modernised it quite well.
Yeah.
And it's nice out here as well.
But yeah, we're gonna go for dinner now. I think we're gonna go to Wagamama's as it's quite close.
Just the usual option, isn't it?
Yeah, so
It's
we're
just
gonna
so
do that,
good.
and maybe after we'll go back to the spa.
Yeah, I think we will actually. It's
Yeah.
open till 9.
Alright guys, it's now the next day. We had such a lovely evening last night, but we didn't take out the camera.
Yeah, we basically just went to Waggers, then when we came back we went back to the spa, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, and then we kind of just walked around the grounds. It's so nice here.
Yeah, there's like loads of grounds, it was like through the woods. It was
Yeah.
quite dark by the time we finished, but yeah, and then we just got up early, had breakfast.
Yeah, we're back to the spa before checkout, and we're now checking out. But do you want
Yep.
to tell them what we're doing today?
So we're going to the Puzzle Woods now, right?
Yeah, we're going to,
Yeah.
I think it's called the Forest of Dean or something like that.
Yeah.
But I'm really excited because it looks really, really awesome there.
It's another hour away from where we live, so that means it's going to be a 2-hour drive back.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. So we have made it to Puzzle Woods, and there's quite a lot of farm animals here, isn't there?
Yeah.
They look really
some donkeys
hot.
and some Shetland ponies.
They're so cute, but they look really hot because it's literally such a hot day. But yeah, there's some ponies over there. He looks really cute. I'm gonna go say hi to him. Yeah, like the pens that they have here are not that big. There was like some ducks over there as well, and they just had like the tiniest little pond. But look how sweet they are. Apparently this is them full size, and they are just so small. Hey buddy! Hey Angel! Hey sweetie! Let's give him some hand fed. There we go. Come here bud. Yeah! Yeah! You like that? I literally want enough land one day so I can open up a sanctuary and just like save and rescue animals like this.
Yeah.
It's so sweet. I was saying to Matt, like, you know, if we ever have the chance and opportunity to like open up a sanctuary, which we'd love to do,
Yeah.
we would make sure that they have blankets, they have like full luxury, they have like a little house in case they get hot or if they get cold.
They'd have everything, scratch posts,
Yeah.
a lot.
I just want them to have the best life possible.
Should we go to the woods then?
Yeah, let's go to the woods. Alright, so we've made it to the main entrance of the woods, and it is incredible already. Like, there's so many amazing trees, there's like rocky, mossy areas of the woods. It's so nice.
It is a really nice woods, and it's so much cooler in here. Like, I think just like the trees absorbing the heat and the shade, like
so nice on a hot summer's day.
So much more bearable. But
yeah, they've built like this really nice bridge here with like wood and stuff, and like look over there, look at the mossy rocks.
Oh yeah.
And there's I was reading up on the website, and there's a lot of movies that have been filmed here, such as Star Wars. So we're gonna try and like scout the areas.
And didn't you see Harry Potter possibly?
No, not Harry Potter.
Not
I
Harry
thought
Potter.
it was Harry Potter, but no.
Over here looks nice. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh look, there's a squirrel right there.
Where? Oh yeah. No, that's a bird.
Oh yeah, it is a bird.
You've got such bad eyes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a squirrel that flies.
Yep. Hey, squirrels can fly.
Oh yeah, when they've got their little bat wings, haven't they?
They do their little,
Yeah. But yeah, it's so nice.
That is a picture right there actually, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll take one. So we're in such a nice location right now with the woods. Look at this. It goes so far down.
I literally was not expecting it to be this nice. Like, if you're ever in this area, like, I really, really recommend coming here. It's one of the nicest woods I've been to.
It is so nice because it's very, like, landscaped. I don't know if it's all natural. I mean, sure, some of it is man-made too, but...
I think most of it is natural, to be fair.
But, like, it's such a nice day for families out and stuff, so... Yeah, really good.
There's a really cool bench just there. Should have had a photo there.
Yeah.
But I love this moss.
And there's like a lookout point over there, like a little bridge.
Oh yeah.
There's so much to do. So much to do.
Honestly, on a hot day, I'd rather be here than at the beach.
Definitely.
You know, it's just so nice and cool.
Nothing better than a cold drink in the summer.
Yeah, not sponsored.
Not sponsored by Fanta. But it's good.
You wish.
It's so nice.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, there's this bench here.
You had a Coke sponsorship once.
Yeah, I did.
That was like the old. You drink Coke every day. So.
Every day. It is just a bad addiction. So this is like very rare for you to see me drink anything else but Coke.
Well, that's like my choice. That's
Yeah,
why.
that's your choice. But
Yeah, this bench is cute.
Look at it. It is so cute. This is another viewpoint.
Wait, I got to stand back a little bit to see. Look at that.
Look at this bridge we just walked past.
Can you imagine how long it took? Like, yeah, that bridge. I mean, everything must have taken so long
to build. Like, damn. And the fact that it doesn't even break. It's actually made of like this tiny little twigs.
Yeah, I think just this like bench would have taken me a week.
So nice though.
At our rate,
I know.
We're getting the van done.
Yeah, we take ages to do anything, but yeah, this is so cool. So we have found this little area here, and I'm pretty sure it could be this from Star Wars. Pretty sure this could be that same area, but maybe from the other side, because it's like two mossy rock walls.
Either that or Star Wars mirrored the video. Imagine that, all of Star Wars mirrored. Yeah.
That is cool though. So yeah, they filmed The Huntsman, they filmed Doctor Who here, Merlin, Atlantis, Da Vinci's Demons. There's this massive log.
Look at that.
Seems to be like a viewpoint.
So many cool, oh god, so many cool spots here.
But then when you get to it, there's not really a view. It's just...
Well, there's no view here, but oh, some level.
Yeah, it's a bit slippy. This wood is so smooth. Look, people have been etching their names into it.
Yeah, and there was a bench over there that had coins like all in it.
There was people, so we didn't film. But yeah, there was like coins that she dug halfway into the wood. And I was like, how do people not steal it? There was quite clearly like £5 worth of coins in that bench. So, have you enjoyed your birthday day out so far?
Yeah, it's been really nice. Well, yeah, it's been 2 days in a row, hasn't it?
Yeah. I just thought it's always nice to do something for a birthday rather than gift something. Do you know what I mean? Because you remember the experiences, and especially with like the pandemic and everything, people have really like taken. Well, people used to take for granted all these little like days outs and stuff.
I think experiences are much better. My mum also got us like for my birthday.
Yeah.
Don't know why you got it. Like a aqua, like what do they call them when you get all the
assault course?
Like the inflatable assault course on the lakes, like they have them in Milton Keynes, Reading. We did the one in the New Forest.
Yeah, it was so nice.
And that was so much fun. But Roxy wore water shoes and I didn't, so I just fell off every obstacle.
You just kept falling off. You fell off like 20 times into the lake, and I didn't fall once.
But I overcame a fear of mine, which was I don't like falling into water when it's not a swimming pool, because like I don't know, I don't like it going to my eyes, up my nose. But I overcame that, and it got to the point where I was kind of falling in on purpose.
On purpose, yeah.
'Cause I don't know, it was. The water in the lake was quite clear, it's quite clean.
Yeah,
so.
I wish I overcame that fear too, but I'm scared of drowning, so I didn't.
You were on your knees.
I was so careful the whole time.
You were on your knees on every obstacle. It was kind of...
I still had fun though.
Alright, well, yeah, that's the main thing. But it was so hot.
Yeah.
It's like 30 that day.
Yeah, it was really good. Guys, check it out. We've seen this like crevice in the rocks, and there's like a hole going all the way down, so I'm going to check it out.
Be careful. It could be slippery.
It's not been blocked off, so I think it's okay. Whoa! Let me show them.
Oh, it's so much cooler between the rocks.
I know! Look at this, guys. It's like a massive ditch. This is so cool.
Probably.
You should check it out as well.
Yeah, okay, I'll come up.
Come up, there's space for both of us here. Not a lot, but...
Very damp in here.
I know.
That's nice.
It's cool, isn't it?
That's probably our last... It was probably our last good spot.
Yeah.
On the way back. There's like so much opportunity for nice shots in here. Like,
I know.
Everywhere.
We wish we brought more. We wish we brought more batteries, because we've only got one battery in this camera, so it's gonna die soon. And yeah, I feel like we got enough though. We've got all the photos, we've got all the B-roll, so we're all good.
I think so.
All right, guys. So that is it for today's vlog. Yeah. That was our day.
But just before we end it, we didn't get to see you drive the caterer.
I know we didn't. I'm too tired now.
Disappointed.
Next time, give us a thumbs up if you want to see it next time.
Roxy's still like, no, I'm not doing it. So if you really want to see Roxy drive it, because it would be hilarious, thumbs up the video.
Jesus, I really don't want to do it. I'm so scared. It's probably gonna I'm gonna break it, basically.
The worst thing you'll do is just stall.
Yeah. But that's quite dangerous to do if like you're on the road.
It's fine.
But yeah, that was all for today's vlog. We hope you guys enjoyed a slightly different one. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.